only वो किस लिए कर रहे थे आप लोग? वो तो सब ट्राइब्यूनल शूट डाउन कर देती है। अभी हम क्या करें शूट डाउन कर देती है? We are told to say कि भाई किसी ने भी अगर ऑफिसर ने तिरुचिरापल्ली में भी अगर एक कंडीशन कर दिया वो को वैसे ही करना है मुंबई में, okay. उसमें you have to protect the interest of revenues. If you see from where they are coming, they can't help it. You have to take identical stands across the country. And let me believe me, Big Four also take identical stands. When I was a TPO, I started this practice of having one benchmark across the country. Why? Sitting on my table, I would see PwC or Ernst & Young, KPMG, coming up with one set for all software cases. अरे सभी software cases का एक ही set होता है, जी एक ही set होता है. I called my officers and said, ठीक है, सारे चारों DI बैठ के मिलते हैं. Let's all collect everybody's comparables, everybody's search strategy, सबका set ले लो और एक set बना. Let's all be uniform. If KPMG, PwC are uniform qua their company, we are also one company, we will also be uniform. That's where the whole thing started. Everywhere. Same comparables because we sat and made it. I remember I was doing diamond industry. I made same comparables for all over it. Reason being, what do we do? Everybody is coming up with a standard set. Why should government put its resources for different sets every time? हम भी वही कर लेते हैं. I got the material from them only. उन्हीं का DP report, उन्हीं का comparables, उन्हीं का search strategy, सब लगा के browse में डाल दो. जो भी set throw up करेगा वो compare करो, छूटा तो नहीं कोई किसी के से वो set बन गया. That's how it happens. They teach. That's why in APA you will never find a standard set. Never. There is no standard set. It's qua you, qua your business. क्योंकि वो mistake अगर इधर APA में repeat करेंगे तो फिर तो वो ठप्पा लगाने वाली बात. नंबर पकड़ो ठप्पा लगाओ. That's not going to happen. So even the practice is responsible for the way things happen.
If say safe harbors are rationally implemented, so APA cases in future may go down.
Safe harbor has an intrinsic flaw. It is not arm's length. So you should be prepared to take a double taxation hit if you go ahead with it. You can take a double taxation hit if you are not a treaty partner. But if you are a treaty partner, the other side you will never get a deduction for higher than arm's length markup.
No, but the margins are rational.
Rational means what? Any rational markup in safe harbor will never be an arm's length markup. So you have to be informed and cautious in exercising your option. I agree that if you come down to a 16% markup or 17% markup, it's going to look attractive. The idea is that if you are a treaty partner, then is 17% going to be accepted in your country? You can take a informed it that okay 3% का मेरा difference आएगा, I will bear. मेरी certainty तो मुझे मिलती है. But 16% आने वाला नहीं है. 17-18% भी आने वाला नहीं है. They can't, I don't think, come down as such, but we can rationalize the procedure and stop the interference of the officer.
But anyhow, government is providing tax concession, SEZ and everything. So it can't be said like government is losing. They are growing anyway. They are protecting business somewhere.
Again, it's a volume game. No? If you give SEZs, if you give freebies, foreign direct investment increases anyways. Your per capita, your GDP also goes up. So that's a broader angle to it. See, government it's a win-win. You don't lose any time. You may lose on tax temporarily. But at the end of the day, the way your economy grows is phenomenal.
But
so your taxes come from other people.
As we see, three countries like India might be topping. Three countries, that is China, India, and Indonesia, are most complicated in terms of your tax laws and regulations.
Now I'll tell you who's complicated. US. I filed 4 tax returns in US. Why 4? Because if I work in New York, I reach a certain threshold, I have to file one return there. If I'm working in California and I've spent more time there, over a certain number of days, I have to file one there. Then I have to file one national tax return also, and one more in the south I was working. I mean, I don't understand one bit of it. You might never be harassed there because they don't harass you. The phenomenal amount of details that they take, I've never given it in India. Never. It's never required by law in India.
I was just going through the news, like it is India, China and Indonesia.
Maybe in South Asia, but if you see in the world, then US is the most complicated. In fact, everybody in US is sick of the complications. They are only happy because you are not unnecessarily harassed about it. But I know for myself, like in my bank account, if I have transactions more than $10,000, then I have to report all my transactions for whole of my family to the US authorities. Well, you have to maintain so much of documentation for them. Every little penny goes into them. Uske baad bhi they took out a demand of $19.68 on me. They sent me a notice that you pay this up. Now, since my company was wearing my tax equalization, so they handled it. Then they sent another notice that now you didn't pay up 19.68% tax in time, so there's a 300% penalty on that, which is automatic. You can't do anything about it. There's no appeal on that. So talk of this, the way they go after you is so automatic that their electronic machine keeps churning this out. उसके पास टैक्स रिटर्न टाइम में नहीं गया, टैक्स टाइम में नहीं गया, वो निकाल देगी 300%. वो भी टाइम में नहीं गया तो कुछ और कर देगी. It's faceless. Nobody sitting there. तो complications बहुत है उनके. मेरे को तो अपना ज़्यादा simple लगा. I started loving my own tax statute after I came back from US. I said I used to worry about this only. ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. कम से कम समझ में तो आता है कि सैलरी क्या है आपकी, वहाँ की सैलरी की डेफिनेशन पढ़ते पढ़ते माथा घूम जाता है. So you know what it is. You know your exposures. Now of course they're coming up with the complicated simple TTC.
Complicated means you want to say complicated or simple?
No, I'm saying both though, because government thinks it's complicated, but they're saying they're simplifying it. So they're saying complicated है, पर अभी भी simple है, पर थोड़ा कम complicated है, पर complicated है. You don't know what it is.
But people are not serious about DTC because
they are serious. Only thing it ran into a lot of roadblocks again. Why? Because there was a lot of public,
No, but only government is serious because people know new government might be formed, they might not come with DTC.
वो तो कह रहे tax terrorism हटाएंगे, adversarial regime हटाएंगे. अभी पता नहीं what is adversarial or what is tax terrorism. Which किसके हटाएंगे? आप कर रहे हो tax terrorism, public कर रही है कि government कर रही है? They'll remove that. What they're meaning to say, they'll make it more friendly. You see, 14% decline आया है आपकी adjustments. People were beaten up to say कि फालतू के adjustments मत करो. मतलब फालतू means नए मत करो. पुराने तो करने ही करने हैं. You can't get away from that. They're stuck for life. फंस गए types. 7 जन्म वाला साथ है. लेकिन नए नहीं करो. Don't come with frivolous ones. That was the mandate. So I think that's what stopped.
Ma'am, APA is yet been 5 APA is usually unilateral. What do you think about a bilateral?
Bilateral file हुए हैं. काफी सारे file हुए. पर US government को अभी जम नहीं रहा है इनसे बात करना. They are saying कि वो अभी मैप पहले agree करो ठीक से, then हम आपसे बात करेंगे. Nevertheless, people have filed for bilateral. ना देखो, despite opposition, despite US saying हम recognize नहीं करेंगे, US से कई फाइल हुए, जापान से बहुत फाइल हुए, lot of companies have come from Japan, UK से फाइल हुए, जर्मनी से फाइल हुए, US से भी फाइल हुए, but US कह रही है हम मानेंगे नहीं, they will not negotiate, at least but they filed it. ठीक है, जब करोगे negotiate तब कर लेना.
But government is serious, Indian government for
very, very serious. I've had a talk with the competent authority. See, I was boss to all of them or colleagues. So there's a lot of free flow of discussion. They are very serious and they are very rightly serious. If you talk to them, they have done so much to help the US competent authority understand कि भाई ये हम सही कर रहे हैं. And it's up to the. I talked to the US competent authority also. I said आप देखो तो क्या कर रहे हैं. When I was in US and US competent authority got to know that I am their former revenue, they called me over to the US IRS office and they said आप तो revenue के हो and all that हमको कुछ समझाओ. So I became the internal advisor for quite some time. And then when I said कि आप अपने markups दिखाओ जो आप लोग बोलते हो कि 9 देंगे, 10% देंगे, 5% देंगे, दिखाओ तो. So then they came up with CompuSat and some other software. I said ये क्या कर रहे हो आप? कहते हैं कि ये तो हमारा CompuSat का बेस है. This is the comparables from that set, from CompuSat database. I said, अरे but India uses Pravas in Capital Line. How can you come up with a markup set which is based on databases which India does not use when you are talking of India markups? They said, वो क्या? I said, whatever. How can you do this? Then I made them buy Pravas in Capital Line. यहाँ से वहाँ से फोन कर करके उनको यहाँ से ट्रेनिंग दिलवाई, क्या क्या सब नहीं किया कि पहले ये तो करो. Pravas in Capital Line करो. 10 साल के सेट्स उनके बनवाए मैंने बैठ के. जब उनकी थोड़ी आंखें खुली कि हाँ ऐसा होता है कि इंडिया में 15-16% थ्रो अप करता है डेटाबेसेस. तो मान ही नहीं रहते क्योंकि CompuSat एंड ऑल आर डिफरेंट डेटाबेसेस. उसमें 2-4 इंडियन कंपनी होती, बाकी यूरोप की होती. ऐसे आपका OECD बोलता है कि ज्योग्राफिकल कंसीडरेशंस हैव टू बी टेकन इनटू अकाउंट, डिफरेंसेस हैव टू बी टेकन इनटू अकाउंट. हाउ कैन यू हैव अ डेटाबेस फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर which is tells you of North America and Europe when you're talking of India. I would understand if you're having South Asia and Asia and Pacific or whatever, but how can you have a North American database for India? The Prowess Capital and खरीदवाया, सबको ट्रेडिंग दिलवाया. बाद में मैंने रियलाइज किया कि हमारे घर के लोग तो काफी तेज हैं, वेरी ब्राइट. उनसे नहीं बोला मैंने कुछ. I'm not saying that वो तेज नहीं है, but they were lost. अभी वो Prowess डेटाबेस खरीदते हैं, कैपिटल लाइन खरीदते हैं, अभी उसी से कर रहे हैं. Maybe they come to the senses, but बहुत काम इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने किया आपको समझाने के लिए, हेल्प करने के लिए, to understand. तो वो 5-6% ही खोलने लगते हैं. जितना हम लोग ऊपर जाते हैं उतने हम लोग पीछे चले जाते हैं. 17% they agreed in a map case. 51 cases were resolved, 17%. उसकी बात बोली तो बहुत हाई हो गया. Sorry गलती कर दी. अभी कितना होना चाहिए? अभी तो 9 ही होना चाहिए. इंडिया had begun to talk of 24. जब 17 पे एग्री कर गया तो इंडिया का हौसला बढ़ गया. 24 मांग लो, 22 मांग लो. उनको 17 देके बुखार आ गया क्योंकि उनको इतना सुनाया कंपनीज ने ना वहाँ पे मल्टीनेशनल से इतना सुनाया उनको कि what is this? How could you agree? We will walk away from this, and they walked away. इक्का दुक्का ने एक्सेप्ट किया, बाकी everybody ran off. And they also yelled at them. अच्छा वहाँ पे क्या है? It is not like India. आप IAS एग्जाम देके नहीं आप जाते हो IRS में. आप किसी भी कंपनी में हो, आपने अप्लाई किया IRS के लिए, आप रिक्रूट हो गए. 4 साल बाद वहाँ से निकल के वापस इंडस्ट्री चले गए. तो it's a walk in walk out. तो पिछला जो KPMG का था वो उसी के अंदर था, बन गए कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी. फिर वो इधर वापस आ गया, फिर PwC का कोई चला गया, फिर वो वापस आ गया. तो पीपल आर वेरी फेमिलियर. वो कहते अभी तो तुम इधर बैठे थे, उधर से आके तुम कुछ बोलने लगे. दैट इज नॉट द वे यू विल डू इट. नहीं करना आपका 17% एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना. क्या मार्कर होगा एक्सेप्टेबल? 9%. तो उन्होंने 9 बोलना शुरू कर दिया. 24 बोल रहे थे, वो 9 बोल रहे थे. किधर मिलन होगा? यू कैन नॉट मीट. तो वहाँ स्टक है. तो एटलीस्ट बायलैटरल फ्रॉम यूएस साइड इज स्टक अ बिट. इट्स नॉट स्टॉपिंग पीपल फ्रॉम अप्लाइंग.
Yeah, but other countries are
वेरी मच. यूके ने तो क्या किया, उन्होंने देखा कि लड़ रहे हैं इंडिया कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी यूएस वाले, वो अपना अनाउंस कर दिया. मैं थी यूके कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी, आई हैड गॉन टू मीट हिम फॉर अ कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड ही सेड लुक Alpana, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई एम गोइंग टू डू यूके विल बी द फर्स्ट वन टू डू अ बायलैटरल. एंड यूके यूएस कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी वाज गिविंग हिम डर्टी लुक्स कि हम मना कर रहे हैं और तुम आगे जा रहे हो. इसलिए मैं तो करने वाला हूं, मुझे तो बिल्कुल बहुत इंडिया पसंद है. उनको सबसे आगे बढ़ गया. वन बायलैटरल केस इज रियली ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ स्टैंडिंग अप. अनाउंस कर दिया. I said, look, I haven't made you guys fight. I just told you the real story. अभी आपस में आप क्लियर कर रहे हो दूसरे को, is not my fault. But if you see the way authorities work, ना बिल्कुल random. Map is random. किसी को कुछ परसेंटेज अच्छा लग रहा है डाल दो. वही सेफ हार्बर वाला हाल. कुछ भी परसेंट अच्छा लग रहा है डाल दो. So, but it's interesting. APA program in India is definitely interesting. I found it very boring in US because I'm involved in a lot of APAs in US as well. मेरे को तो बिल्कुल एकदम नींद आने लगती है उन लोग की यूएस में जाकर. यहाँ तो इट इज सो लाइवली एंड सो कोलैबोरेटिव एंड कोऑपरेटिव. अभी कुकीज, चाय, कॉफी, कोल्ड ड्रिंक. हम लोग जितनी बार गए एपीए ऑफिस, जितनी बार गए उन्होंने हमको लंच कराया एवरी टाइम. अभी साइनिंग वाले दिन भी हमारा लंच अरेंज उन्होंने नहीं किया था. कभी सुना है कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी वो कोई भी लंच कराता है आपको? गवर्नमेंट अच्छा वाला लंच कराया. श्रावणा भवन से मिला के सब बहुत बढ़िया खाने खिलाया. हर बार at least I have eaten about 10 lunches from there. हम लोगों ने से कहा कि हम लोग करवा देते हैं. एक बढ़िया से कैफेटेरिया उन्होंने बनाया है एपी ऑफिस में, वहाँ सबका लंच आया. 25-30 लोग हम लोग सब बैठ के उस दिन 31st को लंच खा रहे थे. That is the I'm done.
Ma'am is here for lunch with us, so we can take the discussions forward over lunch also. I would request Sindel to propose a vote of thanks for ma'am.
Very rarely we have a speaker who's tasted the flavor of the revenue as well as the consultancy. So, and this was very rightly brought out, ma'am, in your session. We really enjoyed a very interesting one. So please lend a round of applause for her.
Thank you so much, and thank you for being a captive audience and listening to all that I had to say. किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं या तंग नहीं किया. Thank you so much.
No, but you really made a valuation to a limited knowledge.
Thank you so much. I didn't realize that I know that.
bunch of people here. What happened? We don't get the practical instructions because he was a new thing, so not that it's an experience. Having a perspective of revenue and the consultancy, then I did the training.
Hi.